DeepSeek is a Chinese AI company that built a model matching GPT-5 performance for approximately $6 million. OpenAI spent billions on comparable results. In this video I cover exactly what DeepSeek is, how it works, every model in the family, how to use it, the honest comparison with ChatGPT and Claude, full pricing, and the privacy considerations you absolutely must understand before using it with any sensitive data. DeepSeek is a Chinese AI company founded in 2023 and backed by Highflyer Capital, a quantitative hedge fund. What made them famous was DeepSeek R1, a reasoning model that matched OpenAI O1 on benchmark tests but was trained at a fraction of the cost using older hardware. The company was forced to use H800 chips rather than H100s due to US export restrictions. Counterintuitively, this constraint led to more efficient training methods that produced extraordinary results. When DeepSeek R1 was released, Nvidia's stock dropped significantly as investors questioned whether expensive frontier hardware was actually necessary. The model family. DeepSeek version 3.2 is their general-purpose model, comparable to GPT-5 performance for writing, analysis, and everyday tasks. DeepSeek R1 is their reasoning model that matches OpenAI O1 on mathematical and coding benchmarks. DeepSeek Coder is a specialized model for coding tasks and is fully open source. All models are available free via the web app. API access costs 28 cents per million tokens for version 3.2. New API accounts get 5 million free tokens. And you can download the open source model weights to run R1 entirely on your own hardware. The honest comparison. For reasoning and mathematics, DeepSeek R1 genuinely competes with the best models from OpenAI and Anthropic at a fraction of the price. For general writing quality and nuance, Claude and ChatGPT produce noticeably better results. For coding, all three are competitive with DeepSeek Coder performing well on benchmark tests. For price, DeepSeek wins by a significant margin. Its API is among the cheapest frontier models available. For privacy, ChatGPT and Claude have clearer data governance for Western users. The chat app at DeepSeek.com is completely free, unlimited use with a daily reset for very heavy usage. No subscription plans for individual users. The API for version 3.2 costs 28 cents per million tokens on cache miss but only 2.8 cents on cache hits, a 90% saving for repeated prompts. R1 is 50 cents per million input and 2.18 per million output. New API accounts get 5 million free tokens valid for 30 days with no credit card required. The privacy section, and this is important. DeepSeek's privacy policy states that all data is stored on servers in China. China's national security laws can compel companies to share data with the government. Researchers found code in DeepSeek's app routing data through China mobile infrastructure. For personal use and non-sensitive tasks, this is generally acceptable. But never paste client data, passwords, API keys, or proprietary code. Never use it for regulated industries like healthcare, finance, or legal work. The safest approach: download the open-source model weights and run R1 locally on your own hardware. Your data never leaves your machine. Web app free at DeepSeek.com, API platform at platform.deepseek.com, open source model weights at github.com/deepseek-AI. iOS and Android apps available in their respective stores. 5 million free API tokens on registration, no credit card needed. All links are in the description. Subscribe for more AI tool guides.